Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today how to top up your lazy spa with additional air. That's if it's getting a little bit flat, a little bit soggy. Right, let's get cracking. Well, in a minute. If your lazy spa is getting a bit soggy like this, we just need to put some air into it so it's all nice and hard and rigid like this. Now you may have used the lazy spa unit to actually inflate the lazy spa, but that's going to be really awkward now that it's all set up and full of water. So what you're going to need is a hand pump. Personally, I wouldn't advise using a mains powered pump because you may overinflate it and pop it, unless of course it's got a PSI setting on it so that you don't overinflate it. But a hand pump is perfect, there's no danger of overinflating it. At the back of the lazy spa, this is where we inflated it when we set it up. So just unscrew this cap. It's got a valve in here, so when you take the lid off, it doesn't start deflating. And oh my God, look at that spider. I've just noticed a spider going into that cap. So I'll make sure I put him in the hedge. Take your hand pump, pop it in, then start pumping up the lazy spa. Pump up the lazy spa, pump up the lazy spa. Oh, pump up the lazy spa. There's a link above about how to clean the filter on this lazy spa. That just makes it last a little bit longer and saves you a bit of cash. Every 20 or 30 seconds, just see how much air is in it. Just check it every now and again, make sure it's getting harder. Just put some more air in, just speed this footage up. That is now perfect. Then we can just pop out the pump. As I mentioned earlier, there's a valve in here so it won't start deflating. Then put the cap on and screw that on. There's a link above about how to use the Chem Connect on this lazy spa. You can also use the same hand pump for the cover because this will deflate after a few weeks. That's got the same size valve on it. And then I think it's time to actually enjoy the lazy spa. Oh, and of course, have a lovely cup of tea. I hope you found that useful. Up here is a link on how to change your filter on your lazy spa. And over on this side is a link on how to clean your filter on your lazy spa. That just makes it last a little bit longer. Thanks for visiting my channel.